Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Zach, your go-to tech buddy for tutorials, tips, and geeky goodness. Today, I've got something super useful for you. I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox step by step with clear explanations. So even if you've never touched a virtual machine before, you'll be up and running by the end of this video. First of all, we need the Windows 11 ISO file. Microsoft offers it for free, no product key required for basic testing. Go to Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page. Next, under Download Windows 11 Disk, Image, ISO, select the edition. We'll pick Windows 11. Choose your language and click Download. Wait for download to complete. Got it. Great. Now the next thing you need to do is install VirtualBox if you have not done so already. It's a free, powerful virtualization tool from Oracle. Head over to virtualbox.org, click on Download VirtualBox, and grab the version for your operating system, that is Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once downloaded, run the installer. Just keep clicking Next. No fancy settings needed here. Once VirtualBox is installed, open it. Now, make sure virtualization is enabled in the BIOS. This step trips up a lot of people. You need to enable virtualization on your computer if it's not already on. Check the video in the description on how to enable virtualization. Give it a name, let's say Windows 11. Set the type to Microsoft Windows and version to Windows 11 64-bit in. On ISO image, browse to the Windows 11 image you downloaded and select it. I recommend you do an unattended install. An unattended install in VirtualBox refers to an automated installation process where user input is pre-configured and doesn't require manual intervention during the operating system setup. This feature helps streamline and speed up the OS installation process, especially useful when installing systems like Windows 11, which have several configuration steps. Next, memory size. I recommend at least 4 gigabytes, 4096 megabytes. But if you've got the RAM, go 8 gigabytes or more if your PC can handle it. But don't allocate all your RAM, leave some for your main system. Set the disk size to at least 64 gigabytes or more, and click Finish. The VirtualBox will automatically start when you click Finish. If you have a product key, you can enter it here, or just click on I do not have a product key. The installation will begin. Grab a snack. This might take a while. The installation is now done. You now need to install guest editions if you did not select guest editions during the initial setup. As you can see, we cannot go full screen mode because guest editions are not installed. We need to remove the ISO image from the VirtualBox, otherwise it will boot again from the image. So there you go. That's how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox from zero to hero. If this helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you don't miss more tech tips just like this one. Got stuck? Leave a comment. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.